still not clear on what it is you would like me to help you with. Your anger issues, your sexual issues, drinking?
No, that's all cool.
Why are you here?
Okay, well, I'm here to lay some groundwork for the future.
Some groundwork.
Yeah, I've come to realize that there's a very good chance that I might someday snap and kill my brother. And I figure if I'm already under a psychiatrist's care, then I can always cop an insanity plea.
You're thinking of killing your brother?
Doctor-patient confidentiality. You do that. But golly, it's sure fun to think about.